Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys having trouble with weak Wi-Fi signals? This video will show you how to connect your Orlov AC1200 dual-band Wi-Fi repeater using the WPS setup method in just a few minutes. No technical knowledge is required, simply follow the step-by-step instructions to extend your wireless network and enjoy a stronger, more stable internet connection in every room. This tutorial will help you complete the installation quickly and improve your Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home or office. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Firstly, plug the repeater into a wall outlet near your router. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds until the power LED becomes stable. Do not plug it into the final location yet. Locate the WPS button on your Wi-Fi router. It is usually found on the back, on the side, or occasionally on the front panel. Press the WPS button on the router once. The WPS LED starts blinking. The router now waits for another WPS device to connect. You usually have 2 minutes to connect the extender. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, press the WPS button on the Orlov repeater for about 1 to 3 seconds. The WPS LED will begin blinking while it searches for the router. Wait approximately 30 to 90 seconds. During this time, the repeater automatically copies Wi-Fi network name, SSID, Wi-Fi password, or security settings. No manual configuration is required. When the setup is successful, the WPS LED stops blinking and stays solid. The signal LED remains solid. The repeater restarts if necessary. A new extended Wi-Fi network becomes available. Unplug the extender from the current outlet. Move it to a location between the router and the area with weak Wi-Fi signal. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone, laptop, or tablet. Look for the extended network name. Usually it appears as your Wi-Fi name _ext. Select the network. Enter the same Wi-Fi password as your router. Now your setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.